Make a gift. Here's another gift.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, you're getting so many gifts.
Shakes and sodas.
Wow.
Plus the books.
Wow.
Plus, last but not least, we got something for the beach.
Oh my gosh, you got so many gifts. Liel, you gotta kiss her.
She don't want that
That's
first.
nice. You can put the sand in.
Oh, she doesn't like sand so much, but she'll get used to it. She'll get used to it.
Look
You know,
what
it's
you
new
got.
for her.
Just turning
So
the pages
many
already.
gifts. Say thank
And
you.
let's open this up.
Wow, this
Your
is nice
birthday
one.
gift.
This is a learning gift.
Yay.
I gotta cut this with something. Whoops.
Whoops, look what you got. How nice, say thank you. Say nice, Auntie Norma, nice. Thank you so much.
Yes, you have a lot of hair. I can't think